need to make this very, very precise. It must be exactly this length. Oh, stink, it slid. Ta-da! Now this side. Just like that. Nice and clean. So that is where we want that to go, right there. That's where I want it to be. 7/8 in from both ends. Not 7/8 by 7/8. We want to do 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch. So we want the bit to actually be there. So I marked to be right. Don't need much epoxy at all. Popping. There we go. That'll work nicely. There. Let's set that aside. Off! Ta-da! almost there. Just a little bit too tight. About an 1/8 inch or so. Go. There we go. There. Almost. There you go. So there you have it, a very simple router, and I've made a whole bunch of these over the years. I have a pile of videos on it. Recently I did a video on making this one where I did the entire thing live on a Saturday, so you can actually go through in real time and see all the steps that I made in this as opposed to just cramming it down into a small video for this one. They're relatively easy tools to make. I have links to all of the hardware down below, and you can make them any shape, size, matter that you want. This is just the standard router plane size, or you could do something like this that's a tenon with a long registration surface. There are lots of different ways to make a router plane, and they are a lot of fun no matter what you do. So I love to see your ideas, and if you ever make a router plane, send me a picture, put it on one of the hive minds. There's links to those down in the description. Also, if you can please put a comment down below, helping that out with the thoughts and ideas, and I do read through all of them, and I respond to as many of them as I can. Hitting like, commenting, sharing, sharing, subscribing, those really do help out the channel and keep us going. Speaking of keeping us going, everyone's going over on the side. They are the patrons on Patreon, and without patrons and members here on the channel, this channel wouldn't exist. So thank you specifically to you guys. You're taking us one step farther and quite literally keeping the lights on in the shop. So if you'd like to find out more about that, there's a link to Patreon in the description, or you can click the little join button down there and become a member here on YouTube. So I think that'll do it for now. And until next time, have a wonderful day.
Chief, what's the password for your new router?
Maple. The kids keep complaining about the Wi-Fi being down, but it's okay. I made a new router.